Hello guys, walk-in interviews 25/4/2025 8 a.m. Latecomers are not allowed. Company TCL TTE Company Renigunta weekly 5 days working, Saturday and Sunday holiday. Workplace near Renigunta Airport near Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Vacancies 50. Post production TV assembly operators warehouse. Salary 16k. Take home 14k 500 plus OT available plus free food and hostel. Age 18 to 35 below. Gender male or female. Working hours general shift plus OT. Working timings 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Qualification SSC, Inter, Degree, ITA, Diploma, Pass or Fail. Benefits PF, ESI, food and accommodation, hostel available. Bus routes Tirupati, Renigunta, Srihalahasti, Venkatagiri, Puttur, Nagira, Narayanavanam. Documents SSC, highest mark sheets, Xerox copy, bank passbook, Aadhaar card, PAN card, 2 passport sizes.